Aminado si Nadine Lustre na inisip niya ring baka malaos siya sa kalagitnaan ng pandemya. Nilahad niya ito nang makapanayam siya ni Debbie. Natanong si Nadine ng host na si Debbie kung ano para sa kanya ang change. So, we were all locked in, right? And then, I just came from like a month of like stress and pressure and all that. I wasn't getting this much projects. So, I had not much work. So, I was really struggling. I was thinking to myself na parang, shit, wala akong work. So, I might, eventually might be a husband or, that kind of thing. Saad ni Nadine. During the pandemic, I had a lot of time to think about what it is that I really want. And then a lot of things happened. I would have conversations with myself, and I would always tell myself to just, take your time. There's no rush. The world's not gonna end tomorrow. So many things. But one of the things that I believe in is just be me. And not look for validation from other people. To just do whatever it is that I want to do. If I don't have projects, then that's fine. I'll do something else. It's not that my life is dependent on that. Dagdag pa ni Nadine.
Share for 5.